Okay, well, welcome. Just give me a smile as we welcome each other this afternoon. Yeah, so this is the second contest for the third day, and I welcome you all to the Northern Regional Qualifiers, and I'm proud to see you once again. And I want to say that this quiz is organized by the Premier College, the College of Science, at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service, Desk Technologies, and Erede Ghana Limited. We appreciate and acknowledge our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you all. The 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-learning, and for our media and video coverages, we are saying we are grateful to you. Again, the Institute of Distance Learning at KNUST, we also say thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. Your venues provided are well appreciated. Again, thank Text Technology and for the technology supporting us, making the reality, the technology challenge a reality, and very exciting one. We again thank Ghana Grid Company Limited, MTN Stakeholders Management, Nestle Ghana, and thanks to Kesben TV, our media partner, for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcasts and commitment to quality have significantly amplified our reach and impact. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. Let me use this opportunity again to salute the heads of the various schools and the dedicated teachers who have spent time in preparing their contestants for this contest. The gallant students proudly presenting their schools in the competition for burning the midnight oil and getting your names registered in this competition. And again, for our supporters, a tremendous round of applause for all these people. Let's give it to them. Let's give a hand of applause to all our teachers, heads, and ourselves. Good. So this afternoon, my name is Dr. Gabriel Obetfosu from the Department of Mathematics, KNUST, and I am your quiz master for this second contest. Remember that the Junior Science and Maths Quiz program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high school to enable them exhibit the understanding of the basic principles underlying the life and physical sciences. It is expected to promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages in life, and I'm sure all the contesting schools have prepared well and are poised and are looking forward for an exciting quiz this afternoon. In this second contest, our competing schools are, we have Fatia College, Baga College of Education Model School, and Tamale International School. I welcome you all. I welcome you all to this second contest. And before we start, I want us to introduce ourselves, contestants. And I'll begin by Fatia College. Let me know your names. So I mention your school, and you just mention your name and your level. Okay, so Fatia College, represented by
Ramadan Masaud.
the name again?
Ramadan Masaud.
Ramadan, okay. And your level?
Basic 8.
Basic 8, good.
Abdurrahman Adam, Basic 9.
Okay, let's give it to them. A hand of applause. Baga College of Education is being represented by Can you come again? I didn't hear you.
Abdul Aziz Abdul Wahid, final year.
Ayel Samat, Form 3.
Okay, let's give it to them. A hand of applause to them. Then Tamale International School is being represented by
John Rafael,
level.
Basic 9.
Okay. And
Haji Abdul Halik, Basic 9.
wow, let's give it to them. A hand of applause. So at this point, I will kindly ask my contestants to put their microphones on, and please do not turn them off until the end of the contest. Again, because it's a competitive nature, we also have your buzzers in front of you, and before we start, we need to test your buzzers. So I'll start from Fatih College. Let me hear your buzzer. Good. Baga Baga, let me hear you now. Fantastic. And Tamale International, let me hear you. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. So, in this contest, we will have 4 rounds. Round 1 is the fundamentals. Round 2, fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3 is the science and technology challenge. And the final round, which is round 4, is decoding the clues. Contestants, in each round, I'll be reading the instructions. So just don't get bothered. I'll be reading instructions for each round. We have 4 rounds to go. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. So one is the fundamentals, and this round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If not, it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the other 2 schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failure to press the buzzer before answering the question nullifies your answer, even if the answer is right. So best wishes, best wishes. Let me have a smile from you, relax. Let me have a smile from all of you before we move. Best wishes. Okay. So first round of questions, 15 seconds. Fatih College. What conditions are necessary for seed germination, and how do they affect the germination process?
Sunlight, carbon dioxide, the sunlight.
I'll not give you for that. I'll give a bonus to Baga Baga SHS.
The conditions necessary for seed germination are the optimal temperature, moisture, sunlight, and the seed must be viable. And this affects the seed germination because the temperature is not right. The seed cannot germinate. If there's not enough moisture content in the soil where the seed is, the seed will not also be able to germinate. If the seed is not viable, that it will not be able to germinate.
I'll give you that for a bonus. I'll give you that for a bonus. Main question, Baga Baga. Your main question. How does pollination contribute to genetic diversity within flowering plants?
Okay, so pollination comes in two types. That's self-pollination and cross-pollination. Now, in cross-pollination, it's from the pollen grains move from the anther of one flower to the stigma of a different flower of the same kind. So when this happens, the genetic materials that constitute the variety of the crops, it will be diverse, making different diverse plants.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Tamale International, your main question. Describe the role of the roots in a flowering plant's life cycle and their impact on overall plant health.
The roots of a plant absorb mineral salts and water from the plant, contributing to the overall well-being of the plant.
Okay, the question came in 2 forms. The question came in 2 forms. That is the first part. That is the role of the root. I'm not taking a bonus for that, but I'll give you 1 point for just stating the role of the root. The role of the root. Next set of questions. 15 seconds. Baga. Explain why stainless steel is a poorer conductor than pure iron.
This is because stainless steel contains other elements such as carbon, which does not have the same properties as iron, which leads to a decrease of the physical property.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Tamale International. Why is tin and lead often used in electrical fuse production?
Because of the low melting point.
Okay. That is just one. The low melting point is good. And I'll give you also 1. I'll give you 1. You could have added something to it. I'm not pushing it as a bonus. Okay. Fatih College, main question. Why is aluminium used in cookware, even though it is not the best conductor?
Because aluminium is a light metal.
You can add more? Any more?
It's a light metal. Aluminium is a light metal, and it has a low melting point.
That is also 1 point. At least you mentioned 1 point. I gave that to the previous school also, so I'll just give you 1 point for saying that it's a light metal. I'll just give you 1 point for that. Resistance to rust and there are a number of stuff, but just saying that, I'll give you 1 point to that. Next set of questions. 15 seconds. I'll start with Tamale International School. Name 3 types of slide transitions available in PowerPoint.
Ferris wheel, zoom, then origami.
That is incorrect. Baga baga as a bonus.
Fade, honeycomb, and matrix.
Can you come again? I didn't hear you.
Fade, honeycomb, and matrix.
Fade. The next one was what?
Honeycomb
Uh-huh.
and matrix.
No, I'm not giving you for that. We can have fade, we can have push, we can have wipe, we can have split, and that. No. Now, Fatih College. What does loop until stopped mean when setting up slideshow?
Loop repeats, it repeats a sequence of activities.
Baga baga as a bonus.
This means the slideshow will continue going and restart until it is given a command to stop.
Fantastic. I'm giving you that as a bonus. Baga baga, your main question. What file types can you insert as videos in PowerPoint? List 3.
.mp4, .wavin, and .m4a.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Please, if your main question don't ring the buzzer, just answer. If it's your main question don't ring, just answer. Next set of questions, and it's with a preamble. I'll start with Fatih College. Calculate the following. Calculate the following. 40 seconds each. A container filled with oil weighs 5.8 kilogram, and an empty container weighs 0.8 kilogram. If the volume of the oil is 5 liters, calculate the density of the oil in kilogram per liter. Fatih, I mentioned Fatih. Fatih College.
$820 kilogram per liter.
That is not correct. You have another pen? Baga baga.
1 kilogram per liter.
That is correct for a single point. For a bonus. Next question. Baga baga college. Oh. filled with milk weighs 6.2 kilogram and the empty container weighs 1.2 kilogram. If the volume of the milk is 5 liters, what is the density of the milk in kilogram per liter?
1 kilogram per liter.
That is correct. Now, Tamale International, your main question. A plastic bottle with water weighs 2.4 kilogram, and the bottle alone weighs 0.6 kilogram. If the volume of water is 2 liters, calculate its density in kilogram per liter.
$1.8.
That is not correct. You have another attempt?
1.4.
A bonus to Baga Baga.
0.9 kilogram per liter.
That is correct. That is correct for bonus. Next set of questions. 40 seconds. This time I'm starting with Baga Baga College of Education. A triangle is drawn inside a rectangle. The triangle measures 10 centimeters by 6 centimeters. The triangle shares the same base and height as the rectangle. Find the area of the shaded region outside the triangle.
$30 centimeters squared.
That is correct. Tamale International, your main question. A triangle is drawn inside a rectangle. The rectangle has dimensions 12 centimeters by 8 centimeters. The triangle shares the same base and height as the rectangle. Find the area of the shaded region outside the triangle.
$48 square.
48 is correct. Fatty College. Inside a rectangle measuring 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters, a triangle is drawn using the entire base and the full height of the rectangle. What is the area of the triangle and how much area is not covered by the triangle?
The area of the triangle is 75 centimeters squared. And the area not covered by the triangle is 75 centimeters.
That is correct.
squared.
That is correct. Next set of questions. And preamble to all schools. The following questions are statements, and you are to state whether they are true or false. And these questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. So you just state whether they are true or false. And I'll start with Tamale International. 33.3% is equal to 1/3.
False.
That is correct. Fatty College. 20% is equal to 1/5.
False.
No, that is a true statement. Baga College, 65% is equal to 6/10.
False.
That is correct. 434. Next set, I start with Fatty College. Sedimentary rocks are formed from the cooling and solidification of molten magma.
False.
That is correct. Baga College. Baga College, your main question? The process of erosion involves the wearing away and transportation of soil and rock by wind, water, or ice.
True.
That is correct. Tamale International. The earth crust is the thickest layer of the earth, primarily composed of solid rock.
True.
That is a false statement. So that brings us to the end of round 1. And it's been awesome having you. It's been super, it's been super, it's been super. That's the end of round 1. there was a bonus question on PowerPoint transition, and the answer given by Baga was correct. So that I want to bring that to the fore. He mentioned honeycomb matrix and that, so that is correct. Then, before we get the scores for the first round, we want to acknowledge our sponsors again, and kindly note that the 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by KNUST e-learning, the Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST, Dex Technologies, Gridco, MTN stakeholders, Nestle Ghana, and Fonjo Phones. At the end of round one, Fatih College has 7 points. Let's give it to them. Fatih College. Tamale International School has 8 points. Let's give it to them. Let's give it to them. And Baga College of Education Model has 23 points. So before we start the next round, we have a substitution to make. And Fatih College will want to make a substitution. And want to thank Abdul Adam for coming. And he's been replaced by Fuseni Hafaz. So thank you, Abdul Adam. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So welcome, Fuseni Hafiz. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. So round two, the second round, and this is what we call the fastest brain, fastest finger. And in this round, one question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestant must answer in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. Each school will have a maximum of 1 attempt to answer the question. A wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. Best wishes to you all. So first question. When testing for protein in a food substance using a Barrett test, what is the expected color change? Baga.
Violet. Violet.
I'm not giving you for that. Fatih.
Blue black.
I'm not going to give. Tamale, let me.
Break red.
No, I'm not giving you for that. The color change is from blue to violet or purple. It's a change from 1 to 1. Next set. Name 3 physical processes that are involved in the separation of mixtures. Fatih College.
Hand picking. Sieving. Magnetization.
I'll go to baga baga.
Evaporation, condensation, and crystallization.
Yes, I'll give you for that. That is correct. This is the fastest fingers, and I expect the correct answer. That is why I didn't give it to you, Fatih. College. Next question. The third molar is commonly referred to as baga baga.
Cheek teeth.
I didn't hear that.
Cheek teeth.
No, I'm not giving you that. Okay, that is the wisdom tooth. Next question. Amma and Akosua were given 400 CDs to share. Amma had 45 more than Akosua. If Akosua's share is X, write an expression for Amma's share. Baga, baga.
X plus 45.
That is correct. Next question. Next question. What is the full meaning of the acronym IDS as used in ICT? Baga, baga.
Integrated Development System.
No, I'm not giving you that. That is intrusion detection system. Next question. What is the term used to describe the study of fishes? Oh no. That is etiology. Next question. If X and 110 are co-interior angles, what is X? Baga baga.
80 degrees.
That is not correct. Fatih.
70 degrees.
That is correct. Next question. A car moves 60 meters in 5 seconds. Then 120 meters in the next 10 seconds. Calculate the average velocity over the distance, over the total distance and time. Baga, baga.
12 meters per second.
That is correct. So that brings us to the end of round 2. It's been super fantastic in this round as well. It's been super fantastic.
Good.
Fatih had a question on physical process separation. They added handpicking. I didn't give them, but my consultants are saying I should give them for that. So I'm giving them their 4 mark for that question. Yeah, so I'm redrawing the point given to Bagabaga on that. Again, at the end of the second round, Tamale International, for scores only for second round, had a -1. They have -1 with a total of 7 points. Let's give it to them. Fatih College has 7 points in the second round, making a total of 14 points. Bagabaga has 4 points in second round, making a total of 27 points. Before we move on to round 3, we again have a substitution, and that is for Tamale International. Abdul Hadi is going out, and we have Abdul Ha Dawood. Let's welcome him. Give it a hand of applause. As we welcome him. the Premier College, the College of Science at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service, Dex Technology, and the Redig Ghana Limited. And in round 3, it's probably, and it's powered by the Dex Science Test, probably by the Dex Science Test. And this is a Science and Technology Challenge. This is a Science and Technology Challenge. And this round we have one question to all schools. And you'll be asked to perform a task. You'll be assessed. You have 15 minutes to complete the task. You have 15 minutes to complete the task. Are the competing schools ready? So in this round, you'll be provided with a laptop computer, with a calculator application and a Microsoft Word installed. Use these two applications to complete the task below. The first task is to calculate a simple interest for principal 1,000 Ghana cedi rate of 5% and time 5 years. Task 2 is to find the total amount after 3 years, including the interest earned. Use your calculator to verify your manual calculations. Then the third one is to calculate a simple two-column table, create a simple two-column table in Microsoft Word showing year-by-year interest accumulation for the 5-year period. And then finally, you save the Word document using the name of your school in the download folder. Finally, you save the Word document using the name of your school in the download folder. So this is the third round. Round 3, the Science and Technology Challenge. Are my contestants ready? Let's stop working. Your time is up. Let's stop working. Your time is up. Tamale, time up. started here. So welcome. That was a fantastic round on the Science and Technology Challenge, having a hands-on, at least beginning coding on computers. That is good. So again, kindly note that the 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-learning and the Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST. For round 3, these are our scores. In round 3, for the challenge given, we have a tie here with Faith College and Tamale International having a score of 4. They all has 4 points. They have 4 points each. Then Baga Baga has 6 points. Okay. So the total we have here for the round, at the end of the 3rd round, Tamale International has 11 points. Fatih College has 18 points. Then Baga Baga College has 33 points. Can we go off? Where do I see it? I can't see it. That's what I was looking for. They have not sent anything. My mail. WhatsApp or mail. Okay. Okay. It's in my WhatsApp. Okay. Yeah, so I mentioned earlier for round 3, we had a tie, 4 points each and 6 points for Baga Baga. And these are the details. I want just to give a detail. So in the round 3, we were given a laptop, a calculator, Microsoft Word installed, and we're given some tasks to do. The first was to calculate a simple interest for principal 1,000 Ghana cedi rate of 5% for 5 years. And for that task, Fatih could not do that, but Baga Baga and Tamale did that excellently, and they had 2 marks each for that. The next task was to find the total amount after 3 years, including the interest earned, using your calculator to verify your manual calculations. Unfortunately, all schools got that wrong. We were not able to do that. The third task was to create a simple 2-column table in Microsoft Word showing year-by-year interest accumulation for the 5 years. And for that also, Tamale International just were able to do something small, and we gave them 1 point for that. And we have a tie as well. Fatih and Baga Baga each had 3 points. So Fatih 3 points for task 3, Baga Baga 3 points for task 3. Then the last thing was to save the Word document using the name of your school in the download folder, and that was perfectly done by all schools. And each school had a single point. That is 1 point for that. So if you put that together, we come to that conclusion. Fatih 4 points, Tamale 4 points, and Baga Baga 6 points. But before I move on again, a quick reminder of the total score at the end of round 3. We have Tamale International 11 points, Fatih International has 18 points, and Baga Baga College has 33 points. We move on to the final round. And in this final round, this is what we call the decoding the clues. In this final round, I'll read, it's called the decoding the clues. The questions will be read out as a series of clues series. If a question is answered on the first clue, 6 points, 6 points. If correctly answered on the second clue, 5. First is 6 points, 6 points. The second clue on the second clue, 5 points. On the third clue, 4 points. On the fourth and any other indication is 3 points, 3 points. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering question disqualifies you from that question and nullifies even if the answer is correct. Are you ready? So before we move in, let me hear your buzzer, Fatih College. Fantastic. Baga Baga, let me hear you. Good. Then finally, Tamale International, let me hear your buzzer. Good. So, first question. I am the first set of teeth in a human life. Baga Baga.
Milk teeth or primary teeth.
That is correct. That is correct for 6 points. So that was the first clue, and that is 6 points. First clue, 6 points. So let's relax as we move on to the second set. Second set. I am unseen, but make things race. Changing nothing yet setting the pace. In silence, I work behind the scenes, helping reactions stay swift and clean. Though I speed up every vital reaction, I emerge unchanged, a quiet action, found in labs and in yourselves. Baga.
Catalyst.
That is correct. I was reading the fourth clue, and that is 3 points. I was reading the... Yeah. So that was the fourth clue, and that's 3 points. Fourth clue. So let's relax for the next set. I hold secrets, yet I have no luck in digital or physical stock. I live in folders, neat and tight. Baga.
Foul.
That is correct. So I was reading the second clue, and you have 5 points for this question. 5 points. Final set of questions. The final question. The final question. Yes, relax as we go in. I have both direction and size. Fatty.
Vector quantity.
That is correct. So that is exactly, and that is 6 points. 6 points. So soon we have come to the end of the contest, and it's important to know that the 2025 quiz competition is organized by the Premier College, the College of Science at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service, Desk Technology, and Erede Ghana Limited. We appreciate and acknowledge our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly grateful. Again, it's proudly sponsored by the KNUST Learning, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, Desk Technology, GridCo MTN stakeholders, Nestor Ghana, and we also thank our media partner, Kesben TV, for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitment to quality have significantly amplified our reach and impact. We are grateful for that. So, in round 4, Tamale International has 0 points. Fatty College has 6 points. And Baga has 14 points. So at the end of the contest, before we announce the final score, we want to thank you all for coming. Tamale International, Baga Fat International, we thank you for coming. Even just getting the boldness to take the seat is just a plus for you. You've done marvelously and wonderfully well. It's a thumb up to all of you. Good job done. Good job done. But we want to see some in the next round. So at the end of the contest, these are the scores. We have Tamale International School with 11 points. Let's give it to them. Then Fatty College has 24 points. Then the winner for this afternoon's contest, Bagabaga College of Education model, has 47 points. So, we hope to see you in the next round. Thank you for coming, all other competing schools. So until we meet again, all I will say is stay blessed and shalom. Bye. Am I off? Am I off? I'm not signing today. Go and you do the work. Don't put my name on it and send it. Man,